Before the video gets started, guys, I just want to say we only reached 125 likes in the last video as of today, December 22nd. So we're going to try it again, guys. Smash the like button down below. Let's get this video 150. We will have the part for the next video guaranteed, and I can show you guys what the plan is. Trust me, you guys will love it. 150 likes. Let's do it in this video. Let's get to the action. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is episode 3 on the LS swapped F100. We're going to be working on cleaning up this entire mess here that we made in the last episode. If you didn't check that out, do so now. And then we're going to be bringing that Crown Vic front end in here, working on that. I think Jason's got some floor pans, and maybe we'll work on cutting up that other rear end so we can get it mounted under this truck. Stay tuned. So, starting off this video, got the dump trailer in. Already got some stuff. This is what we dug out of the back of this truck to begin with, all kinds of garbage. So, let's get to it. Start picking this up, get it thrown in. Making some good headway cleaning up the shop here. Got a lot of the stuff underneath. Went ahead and stripped the rest of the frame down. And Jason's working on getting the headliner out. And oh yeah, big old nest up there.
Wakey, wakey!
Jason's just waiting for him to come out at him here.
Nope.
What, are you scared?
Yeah.
Guys, take a look. Safety glasses on.
Look at the mice coming out. Not me.
Oh, nothing exciting.
Nope.
They already done probably ran through the rest of my shop and got in the Mustang and everything else. They found some clean new homes. All right, well, we'll continue from there, and next is bringing the Crown Vic front end in.
We're gonna be on fire. It's hot on the bottom.
Ooh, run the drill a little bit there. Oh, geez, look out. It's spitting out.
I don't see it. I heard it, but I don't see it now.
Oh, one hole down. Not too bad.
Those sparks.
What you got going on there?
No.
I can feel it flinging shit out.
No.
What are you doing? Cool it off.
It's hot. It won't go anymore. It's smoking.
It is?
Yeah.
Where? Dang it, we were almost through.
Battery's dead.
Oh, well, we'll get a new battery on your. Oh, the battery's off. All right, went ahead and cleaned up the mating surfaces here on the Crown Vic front end. Took our measurements, and obviously, as I mentioned before in the last video, yeah, we probably should have put something on here. The frame's spread open, but that's all right. We had measurements off of the good old interwebs for drilling the 2 holes. And as you've seen, Jason ruined my cordless drill. He says the battery just needs charged. Yeah, so I'm gonna start the forklift up here. We're gonna drive it underneath and see if we can pull the frame rails back together and set it on the pins. As you see in those last clips, we got the front end in here. We got the front clip set up in those dowel pins down inside here. Everything lined up perfect. It actually brought the frame back exactly to where it needed to be in the front here. And then, because I told you I didn't want to waste any time, I went ahead and made up my own brackets. The only thing I didn't do was make it so a tube could go from the bottom to the top. And now before everybody gets in the comments saying it's not going to work or the frame's going to bend, we are going to plate the inside of this frame here. Plus, with having a motor plate in the front of our motor, and also we're going to do a mid plate as well. So there's no way that this front suspension, in my opinion, could ever, you know, try and bow in or anything like that. But that takes care of all that. We're obviously going to clean this up at some point, but for now we're going to leave it in there. And I think next step is motor mock-up. So we'll go ahead and use the forklift here and get the motor down, and that's going to be the next step in this process. Actually, I think what we need to do, we got a front end in, but we have absolutely no rims on there, so maybe we'll see if we got a set of rims to put on there. We'll do that next. All right, went upstairs, picked up a set of my original Mustang wheels. I think these look pretty good. Just don't gouge them all up now.
Can't find the hole.
Should go on. I believe the Crown Vic's the same bolt pattern as a Mustang. Oh yeah. I think the baby's gonna look good. 19s.
Good enough for what it's for.
We just need to slam it on the ground now with some big wheels. That'll look good. Okay, now I do believe I have. I do also have some of the parts here for the 4-link setup. All the rear brackets, this lower half, got the upper half, the front bars, and we got that rear end out of the death trap, the original one, like I said, with that triangulated 4-link on there. That we're going to cut all that stuff off next. and then we can start mocking up the crossover piece, getting those brackets welded on that rear end, and then we can get that underneath there and potentially have us a roller. So it's either going to be motor or rear end next, but we'll see what we come up with. We'll get this other wheel on, and then I think we'll wrap the video there. So went ahead and got the passenger tire on as well, and this is looking sweet. So it looks good with both of those Mustang wheels. They are hitting the caliper, so we'll have to trim that up. Oh, now that it's all in, we're going to see if it's centered. Yeah, no, I think actually that looks pretty good.
Good enough for who it's for.
But yeah, good enough for Jason driving anyways. Now, like I said, this turned out awesome, guys. I'm not 100% certain that these are going to work, but I don't have any reason why they won't work. Like I said, doing this without having the tubes going down through them. It's just a burnout truck, not to make it any less safe for Jason driving, but he'll probably end up driving in the wall the first time anyways. Just don't copy Cletus. But I think, like I said, I think we're going to wrap the video there, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. This just gets us one step closer to either, like I said, A, rear end, which would be nice to have it as a roller again, and then maybe possibly, I don't know, it'd be nice to maybe blast it or something, I think. And then we could pull the cab and stuff off. Or we got a lot of work to get the motor put in there. We do have a front plate on that motor up on the loft. Jason's got a mid plate for this, so we could start that next. Maybe comment down below what you guys want to see. We may already be started on it by the time this video is posted. But we'll wrap it there. So like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Appreciate it.